I think I got an addiction. Hold on, I need some coffee. Not that addiction. My new addiction, opening undelivered packages. This I just got from FunDelivered. You see all their fancy stickers that are on top there. They have different size packages. This is like Christmas for adults. You never know. When you're stuck in the house all winter and there's nothing to do, this is so much fun. This box right here is supposed to have 6 to 9 random size packages in there. It was like $119, came to $127 after shipping costs. Well, the goal is to see if we get our money back, whether we sell the stuff on eBay Marketplace. We're gonna see the MSRP price, and we'll figure out what we'd likely get if we sold the items. There could be 6 to 9 pieces of junk in here. There could be 6 to 9 pieces of buried treasure. We don't know, but it's so much fun to kind of figure out. So let's see what we got, all right? All right. Don't want to cut what's inside. Cut away, cut away. This is full to the brim. Just for weight, it's like a decent size weight. I mean, oh wow. So, I know they give you the little FunDelivered card, you know. They used to be black, I believe. But we'll see, we'll see. Will I be getting another FunDelivered box? The goal is if I can compensate the cost of this box by selling the items, I'm gonna buy another one, and I'm gonna keep doing this and making these videos. Like, you never know what's gonna come up in these packages. I've opened some that are garbage. You might see right back there. We're gonna get to that one another day. That was a $750 pallet of mail filled to the top. That's gonna be like a 10-part series for me to get through. I can't, it's 335 pieces in that. We're gonna do 6 to 9. All right, so without further ado, let's start something small right on top. I feel like this is gonna be disappointing. Unless it's like an expensive baseball card or something. I don't know, like a Shohei Ohtani or a Nolan Ryan. I don't know anything about baseball cards. But, let's see. Is there even anything? It's a charm for like a bracelet that says March. Is this like 10 cents? I think this is worthless. We're not even gonna, can't even put a dollar amount up on the MSRP. First one's a bust. All right. We got some box-shaped things. Let's do a box-shaped one. If you look, they black out all the writing, all the addresses to kind of hide where everything's going. Sometimes you can make out what it is, but I'm not too worried about it. Let's see. Oh, packaged well with the bubble wrap around it. I like that. A layer of waterproofing. What? I don't know. It looks like some kind of electronics. We'll see. What in the... Smart robot. Smart voice control... What is this? It's got like a little bag here. I don't know if that was... Little Learners. I don't know if that's just the company. Not opened. Oh, it's got a little picture of what it's supposed to be. Make sure everything looks good in there. Like, oh, wow. Okay, this is a good start. I kind of wish I opened this one first. I don't know. We'll have to see. Little green smart robot that records. I don't know. We're going to have to look this one up. This is pretty cool. Fun for the kids, fun for the adults. I don't know. Will it fetch a beer for somebody? Who knows? All right. To the eBay. Let's see. Okay. This little robot is junk. These things sell, you know, anywhere. It looks like $13 to $30. There's one as low as $11. We'll go by that. This looks like a holiday gimmick gift. No real value. We'll put it on eBay. If we get our $10 out of it, fine. We just got to recoup $127. Let's just shoot for a goal of $130 at this point. That'll make it worth our time. All right, next package. Man, I was really hoping that robot was going to be good. Might keep that robot. I need a friend right now. What? Brillante Torcha LED. This looks like it's going to be like a bright flashlight or something. I don't know. What's with this high-end case for... Wow. work light in like a high-end gun case. This looks like it might be something cool. I'm gonna guess $20, but I'm gonna look it up because this is neat. Brillante Torsia. Must be French. All right, these sell for about 20 bucks, include free delivery. You're probably getting like 15 net off there. Not a bad deal. This is a pretty nice looking flashlight. I might actually just keep this. This is really great. All right, moving on. All right, so we'll say we're roughly about 30. I'll put the total up top here just so we can keep track of it. But not bad for 2 items in. We'll call it 30 bucks. Let's say roughly 100 more to go. What is in here? This, you know, for, oh wow. Ooh. This looks like it's a girl's small spring jacket just in time. Glow mode, ready, set, glow. Is it like glow from Shein? Shein's pretty cheap, I know that. Fabric fit, what is, I don't know. This will be on my eBay account, ladies, if anybody wants it, but this is, it's not bad looking. I wonder if there's 2 of them. I mean, even for $10, this is like a steal. I don't know, I can't find this exact one online, but we're gonna say, I gotta know. I think I found it. So someone recently sold this for 20 bucks pre-owned. This is brand new. I would settle for $15. Let's just throw 15 up there. This is really nice. I would, ladies, this looks like a small. I don't see a size tag. But I'd say that's probably a small. I'm gonna list it as a small. But that is really fitting. Very nice looking. But we got 2. There is 2. Awesome. We got it in red also. Like, all right, so that's two Shein jackets, which are, they're really nice. I didn't think Shein had good stuff like this. Check out, you know, Code Blue Hot Sauce. Check out my eBay account if you want these. That's another 30 bucks right there. We're already at 60 bucks for our 127. I think another box is coming our way soon. We are flying high. All right, let's do a smaller soft package real quick. What is... We might have our first true dud, other than our charm. This is cheap oven mitts. You can't tell how cheap they are in there. I feel like the plastic would melt right on my hands. These don't even feel safe. Like, there's little cats on there. Like, I don't like cats. I'm sorry for all you cat lovers. Don't hate me. But these are... Oh, these are just not good. I'm gonna pick up something hot before I try it, but... Yeah, I don't know if these are even worth $5. Nobody, I mean, your true cat lovers might buy this, but I don't know. I don't know. Back in the package with you. I don't feel safe with you. Whatever. $5. Whoever wants it. All right. Okay. This looks like something solar. It says 4 pieces. White light. Is this like one of those outdoor lights that turns on when the sun goes down? For, It's pretty heavy. Like, it's got to be metal somewhere on there after feeling this. I can never get these little ones open. I don't want to destroy the box for to sell it. Keep it. I don't know. Ooh. Oh, this is... Yeah, it's exactly what it is. Outdoor solar paneled LED lights, I guess when the sun goes down. It looks like... They are all intact. They got all 4 mounting brackets here. Not used, brand new. I wonder why somebody returned this. Like, I would buy this for 20 bucks in a heartbeat. Let's see if we can find a price on these. Yeah, we're gonna call it 15. There's so many types of solar lights out there. I'll have to find this exact model, but I'd sell it for 15. I'm not too worried about it. I'd probably even take 10, honestly, just to get rid of it. Someone needs it. I don't have a yard at the moment. But, worth its money. Okay, pink package. Let's go, pink package. Oh, no. Anyone that grew up back today, this is like an off version of Tetris and a cheap handheld. These things are so dirt cheap. This is like light. This can't be worth maybe $5. It's got 26 brick games. I don't know if I can even give this. Like, why wouldn't you play it on your phone? Who is making this stuff anymore? Yeah, $5. All right. I don't even want to put that up there. Let's not count that one, okay? That's too cheap to really... No wonder it wasn't delivered. They probably refused it after they realized what they bought. What? Okay. Cool Off neck wrap. This looks like a bandana. How much do these are cloth. Let's just call $5 for the whole pack. I'm not gonna look that up. That's all right. So we're over halfway. I can say that, but we'll see. We'll get all this stuff listed. Like I said, code blue hot sauce. Check out the account. Sweet Mayhem Latte Tan. I don't know. Sweet Mayhem Latte Tan. Oh. These look Sweet Mayhem Magic Leggings. I'm not gonna lie, ladies. This is like a thick, good material. I don't know anything about this company. These are like a faint copperish black, gold. I don't know how to describe it if you can see it up there. I feel bad for whoever didn't get these. They probably really wanted these. I would go check out their shop, Sweet Mayhem, but this will be on the eBay account. It is... I just have to know. All right, $15. 15. We'll take another 15 on there. That seems to be like the common price. Some $17.99. 15 it is. 15 is fine by me. I don't need to be greedy. We just need to recoup $127. All right. A lot of random color packages. Pink, peach, blue, yellow. Poke No, the original wild card game. I've never heard of this, but I will tell you, most unknown board games are probably $10. This is heavy. I wonder if the chips are in cards or anything. Like, I would probably keep this for the playing cards. 12 player boards, 1 deck of cards, 200 poker chips. All right. $5. Nobody's buying that on eBay, I don't think. Or Marketplace. Is this another game? This... I don't know. Lots of parts. Lots of parts scare me sometimes. Oh, no. I got kids that might love this. Crazy Fort? Yes. This is pretty cool. 69 pieces. Crazy Forts. No way. This right here, this is $43 on Amazon. I will gladly sell this for 20 bucks plus shipping, maybe 25. This is solid new unopened. This is pretty cool. $25 we'll call it, that we're gonna get our money back. I don't need 45. Looks like we're down to like 2 packages. This has been interesting. Let's see. Oh no, more. Pants. Lightweight. Oh, no. Pants like this can be so many sizes. This is 2XL. I can't tell if it's women or men's, but I love the cargo pockets on here. I don't know. There's no brand name. It feels like a soft polyester. I don't know. I'm not good with my materials. All right, we got 1 package left. We'll add up everything. This, I can kind of see the picture on the box. Oh, I almost bought one of these years ago with my yard. Oh, I know what this is. This is a snowblower, a snowplow. It's a cheap one when the snow's light, and I've seen ads come across when the snow is coming down hard. I wish the name brand was on here. Wait, is this for real? This, I found what looks the same exact thing on Amazon. Selling for $200 with $200. If I sell this for $100, maybe $110. This paid for this box. This looks unopened. Let's just see. You know what this means? There's another FunDelivered box coming our way. The blue one. Everything looks like it's in here. Batteries, charger. I kind of wish I had some snow to plow. I will probably list this for $50. Winter is coming to an end here. Again, I'm just trying to pay for the box to make this worthwhile. We'll call it a wrap. We're getting another FunDelivered box. Clearly, this was worth its while. Some interesting things I didn't even know were out there. We'll get this stuff listed. We'll sell it, and we'll start over again. I'll see you next time. All right, so I thought now would be a good follow-up to what happened with everything from that FunDelivered package. Now, some of this stuff I priced to go just to get it moving. You want to see if I broke even or not. Now, the saving grace, the snowblower. If that snowblower had not been in there, I don't know. See, I priced it low, aggressive. Winter's leaving around here, you know. Yeah, winter's coming. No, it's not. Winter's leaving. So I wanted the snowblower to go. So I ended up getting about $70 for the snowblower. Buyer paid shipping. The Pokino game, I sold it for $15 right away, but I paid the $5 for shipping. So I got about $10 out of it. Some of the other stuff, I listed it, but I have dropped the price aggressively. The Crazy Forts, it's on there for $20. I should just make it higher. I don't know. The work light, $5. The little robot, he's on there for $10. I know. The 4-pack of solar lights is up there for $10. The leggings, I'm only selling them for $10. And then the 2 Sheen jackets, which are probably my favorite items. I have them up there for $10. I don't know. Spring is coming. I should probably keep the price up there higher. They were really nice. All in all, it came to about $155 for the sales. But with eBay, I always do to promote the listing just to keep the items moving. Probably spent about $20 for promoting the listings, which takes us down to $135. Taking the shipping materials, the tape, packing labels, we probably broke about even for that package. So hats off to FunDelivered. It clearly was not a ripoff. If you're going to use this for a party game, I'd fully recommend it. And since we beat the quota, we got to get another box. So stay tuned. I'm going to record another video. I'm going to get the larger box for the next one, and we'll see where we go from there. Looking forward to seeing you.